Hello everyone, welcome back to the Software Codes and this is Khushbakht. Today we are going to start our fourth lecture. Our fourth lecture is about the basics of Flutter codes. So just open your Android Studio and the project we have created in our previous lecture. We will start from the scratch. So we will start from the first line. So just remove this piece of code. We will discuss about this later. So starting from the first line. What is import? Import is a keyword which helps you to import the different packages in your app or in your code. Those who are familiar with the packages, it's really good. But those who have no clue or idea about what is packages, so for them I'm going to explain it. Packages provides you different functionalities and feature which you can utilize in your to build your app. So packages also helps you to develop your app easily instead of developing everything from the scratch. So now coming to the void main is the initial function which will run whenever your app will execute. Run app is the function, or you can say that it is the main function in your code that helps you to run your main screen or to run your main widget. You can pass those screens which you want to run. So here we have passed or the main screen, but here you can see we are getting error. So to solve this error we will just type st. Here you can see there are stateless widget and stateful widget. We will also discuss about this thing in our this lecture. So for now we will just go with stateless widget. Just type my app. You can see the error is gone now. You can also change the name of your this class. For this you just have to change the name software codes. You have to change the name here and also in your widget underscore test here. But for now I'm just okay with the my app. Okay, now coming to the class, this is our main class. It contain our initial screens. This is the constructor and this is the build method. So what does a build method do? Build method helps you to build your widget tree, the widget tree which we will construct here. Okay, build context is build context is basically a locator. This build context helps you to locate your each widget in the widget tree and its position. Now coming to our main widget material app. So this is our main widget which provides different functionalities. If you press Control space in Windows, you can see there are different arguments. For now I am just using the home. I will type scaffold widget. Okay, so one thing you must have noticed that widget will always start from a capital letter, just like material app, scaffold. These both are the widgets, and the argument will always start from a small letter. This was a short introduction about the widget. This was the short introduction about the Flutter code. Now you are familiar with the import, packages, main, run app or constructor, and build context or material app, scaffold. We will also explore more about the scaffold in our upcoming lectures. But we are not familiar with the stateless widget. So what is stateless widget and what is stateful widget? Before understanding the difference between these, we should know what is state. So state is a piece of information which you can read on the screen or on the user interface. So now we know about the state. So coming to the stateless widget. Stateless widget is helpful when your user interface is not dependent about anything or upon anything other than the configuration information and the build context. And you should go for the stateful widget, or you should use the stateful widget whenever your user interface changes the states dynamically or changes the information on the screen dynamically. So this was the basic introduction about the Flutter codes. If you have any question related to this lecture, you can ask in the comment box. If you are new on this channel and you want to get the updates of our upcoming lectures, so just press the subscribe button and tap the bell icon. So see you in our next lecture. Thank you.